Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? B.R. Ambedkar. The President of India is elected by Electoral College. How many fundamental rights are there in the Indian Constitution? 6. Which article of the Constitution deals with the fundamental duties? Article 51A. Who was the first President of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The directive principles of state policy are borrowed from which country? Ireland. Who appoints the Prime Minister of India? ଭାରତର ପ୍ରଧାନମନ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କୁ କିଏ ନିଯୁକ୍ତ କରନ୍ତି? ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ. In which year was the Indian Constitution adopted? 1949. How many members are there in the Rajya Sabha? 250. Who is the head of the state government? ରାଜ୍ୟ ସରକାରର ମୁଖ୍ୟ କିଏ? ଚିଫ୍ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର.